Oh, WXL42. For Burks.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include West Lawn, Boyertown, Coffeetown, Hogan-Dalgua, New Tripoli, Emmaus, Strausstown, New Morgan, Ancient Oaks, Conshohocken, Leesport, Morton, Bechtelsville, Shoemakersville, Lenhartsville, Fleetwood, Mount Penn, Birdsboro, Reefen, and Macomb. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 295 and 300. Northeast extension between mile markers 50 and 63. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 8, Reefen, and Macomb. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 295 and 300.
What the?
Northeast extension between mile markers 50 and 63. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 8 and between mile markers 10 and 59.
That came out of nowhere.
Storm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Lee. This severe thunderstorm may contain with or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
SVR! WXL40.
The National Weather Service in State College,
State College,
Pennsylvania has
okay.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Franklin County in south central Pennsylvania, until 4
Oh shoot, that's
p.m.
FM. That's FM. I guess it's not.
Military Park, Chambersburg, Bonneville, Heidlersburg, Beeglerville, Gettysburg, Guilford, McKnightstown, Hunterstown, and Gettysburg College. This includes Interstate 81 for mile markers 5 to 19. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency.
I mean, that makes sense. Adams and Franklin, they issued a special order
Service
for
office
that.
in State College, Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Adams and Franklin. The National Weather Service in Mount
Alright,
Holly.
let me look at FMs. See if they're ruining it.
Central Pennsylvania,
Yep.
southeastern Franklin,
We're 103.3.
South
Rolling
Central
that.
Pennsylvania. Until 4 p.m.
105.7,
3:09
96.1, 98.5.
98.5. Warning for the following. Impact, expect damage, lighting, and siding, entries. Locations impacted include Aaronsville, Quincy, Gettysburg Park, Chambersburg, Bonneville, Heidlersburg, Beeglerville, Gettysburg, Guilford, McKnightstown, Hunterstown, and Gettysburg College. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 5 to 19. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in State College, Bonn.
My gosh, what is this? Oh, it's an SVR. Who is this for? for
Holly, New
Berks.
Jersey has
It's for Berks.
warning for Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County
Oh,
in
it's for
southeastern
Custer.
Pennsylvania, central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., showers and an outflow boundary producing severe wind gusts were located along a line extending from near Clausville to near Birdsboro to Triptown, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. At 3:43 p.m., a 62 miles per hour wind gust was measured at the Reading Regional Airport. Several areas of wind damage have been reported across Berks County.
Jeez Louise.
Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Fricks, Modena, Coffeetown, Emmaus, Evansburg, New Morgan, Hatfield, Blue Bell, Percy, Maple Glen, Putown, Bryn Mawr, North Conshohocken, Ancient Oaks, Pennsburg,
Well, no,
Toylestown,
marginal risk of
Graydyville,
getting this type of
Shoemakersville,
weather. It's
Fountainville,
actually
and South
insane.
Coatesville. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 339.
There is WXL.
Between mile markers 21 and 62. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 335. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania
Might be
between
2
mile
minute
markers
limit.
33 and 76.
Might be.
Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 10 and 19. Interstate
It's gonna go
176
2
in
minute
Pennsylvania
limit.
between
That's
mile
it,
markers 1 and
right?
11.
Hold on.
This is a dangerous situation.
Oh.
These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Berks County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from...
Yep, 2 minute limit. I know it.
Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, issued at 1:56 p.m. Tuesday, April 15th. This afternoon.